Hello guys, in this episodes I will present some my spindle Kress spindles broke, and I will repair it. And here is my 3D printer and the new parts for the replacements or for the repairing uses. Here I'm going to remove it now, and the parts sticking out. And the broken piece is here. This is the AC cord socket. You can see here. There is two halves. Actually, there are this lever. There are two lever. It can be taken out or are broken. And after assembly with this power cord, this will plug into here. And I will make the 3D model of it. It's difficult for me and take sometimes because they are broken to pieces. Here is the 3D models, and it's the assembly 3D. So these two, there are two separated bracket. No, these are, you can say this bracket is a hose. This is the blue part is the contact, the connector pieces, metal connector pieces. And I need to check the assembly if there is some error in to assembly into here. There is a lot of critical connecting areas. Okay, one side was already trimmed. You see, those support material are taken out, removed. So if this side is upside down, then those support material will be here and need to be taken out. A little bit difficult. If this side is on bottle, that should be much better, but the surface finish on here will be poor. I think I make it wrong. This side should be face up, so no support material here. And this clips already assembled on this bracket and put it inside. It seems to be okay, not much problem, but need further checking by seeing the whole stuffs. And this Kress spindle I bought it for 13 years, 2008 something, and used it for long times, and I already changed the rear bearings, both bearing here and also on the rear. Of course, the carbon brush, I bought the carbon brush from the company that I bought this spindle. It was once out and for 2 times, and already replaced 2 times here. This spindle is good, and for the press spindle is for this old machine, and for the new machine here is, you can see here is a It's a 2.2 kilovolt VFD spindle, round shape. You can see here, round shape. And I use the ER20 color. And last time I introduced this machine, you can see it on the rear. There is a rectangular box. It stored 7 pockets of ER20 colors, and this box is the 2 changes is an electrical one, not the pneumatic or air, and the electric motor is inside the rectangular box. That's all. So now, after much trimming of the parts, and the part is inserted, and power it up. So the contact seems okay. And here, screw is mounted, and it's a little bit tighter to put in and also take it out. Anyway, I will try. Anyway, I will let be that condition. I will paint some soften on the surface, so it will be stronger. The soften will dissolve the material a little bit and make it welded, glued up. And this material is, I should use the nylon material, but nylon is difficult to be printed, and also the nylon is much difficult to be handled. And this is the HIPS, There's the high impact polystyrene, and the material is not a popular material, but it can be paint, or in a better case is to use black color nylon for this material. For me, I will just put on some solvent on the surface, and that's all for this episode, and thank you for your watching.